Here we go with our bird dog row exercise. You're going to see that this is a very challenging stability exercise in addition to an awesome upper body strength exercise. I like to really grip on to the edge of this bench here. And then from there, grab the weight. And this is opposite hand, opposite knee here. So my right hand is gripping, my right foot is going to be kicked back, left knee's on the bench. And then from there, find my center position, shoulders locked in, hips locked in, row that to your chest and down. Fight the urge to tip either which way. Try and keep everything nice and straight and locked in. That's the bird dog row. Get after it. Let's go.